Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your LG Velvet, for the first you have to open the application that you are going to use. So I'm going for the YouTube, and I'll take also the Google Chrome, and let's click right here to open the background apps. Right now you have to click on the icon of the application and select multi-window. Right now pick up the second application. And right now we can work on the both applications at the same time. And with this switcher you can also just turn it off like that. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!